Okay, on this video I'm gonna show you guys how to do an oil change on a DD15. This is a CASCADIA DD15. First you gotta start with by draining the oil. This is the draining plug. On this truck I have the easy oil. You just twist that right there and the oil will come out. If you don't have one of those plugs, the easy oil, the truck is gonna come with one of these. This is just a plug. It's a 1/2-inch plug, and all you gotta do is get one of these ratchets, and this will go in here, and then you just take it out. I recommend you to get one of those plugs. It's easy if you're gonna be doing your oil changes yourself. I recommend that. It's very easy, so you can drain the oil. I will leave the part down in the description in case you want to buy one. And I have one of these oil pans. They sell them at like all your parts, wherever you get your parts, you can find it. I think it was like $100. I would try to get put it in the description and see if I can find one where you can get it. So I'm gonna start by draining the oil, and I'll keep going I'll show you guys how to take off the filters and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start by draining the oil. I got the pan right here, where I want to drain the oil. So with this plug, all you gotta do is push it down and twist it this way, and then the oil is gonna come out. You can see the oil is draining. It'll take like around 20 minutes for the whole the oil to drain. While you're doing that, you can start by removing the oil filters, and I'll show you how to remove the oil filters. Okay, so while the oil is draining, you can start off by taking off this oil cap so it can drain faster. And you can start by taking off your oil filter. It's located right here. To take that one off, you're gonna need a socket this size. It's a 7/16 socket. This one's I'm gonna use the 1/2-inch ratchet, and you start just taking it off. Pretty simple. I'm gonna link the sockets and the ratchet in the description in case you want to buy it. So you just take it off. And this is the oil filter over here. So this is the new oil filter. This is the model. This is for the DD15, and I will link this oil filter to the description. So you take this one off. It's kind of hard to get it off. Just press it like that, and it'll come off right here. And if you want to clean the old oil. And right here it has an O-ring. It has an O-ring right here, and you can take it out with one of these picks, and it has a little notch right here, so just stick it in and it'll come off. And the new oil filter comes with the new O-ring. So you just gotta clean the best you can do on it, and put back the new O-ring. Goes back in here. And just clip it back in here to the oil cap. Now it's in there. So we're gonna go put it back into the engine. So to put back the oil filter, all you gotta do is just drop it in here and screw it back in there. So disc caps don't go that tight. Don't put too much pressure into it. You might break the cap. And they just go once you can feel the little torque, and that's it. Don't put too much pressure into it. That should be it. Should be fine right there. So now we're just gonna go close back the oil pan, and we can start putting back the new oil. Okay, so now we're just gonna close the drain. It's been like 30 minutes around there. It's done draining. So with this this valve, I just gotta close it out, and that's pretty much it on this side. So now all you gotta do is put the new oil back into the engine. So now I'm gonna put the new oil. I'm gonna be using one of these funnels. You just put it in there, and this is my new oil, and let me show you guys how I do it. So you just put the new oil, it usually takes like around 12 gallons. Just check the dipstick, make sure it's on full, on the level. So this is the second bucket. Like I said, it's gonna take around 13 gallons or 12, depends. And I'll show you how to check the level on the dipstick. So I'm done filling the new oil. Just put the cap back in and just check your level with this stick. Let me show you. So with this dipstick, you just check the oil level, make sure it's on max. You really can't see the new oil, but right here it reads max, right where the line is at. Make sure it's on that line, and it's basically an oil change.